Marcia worked with Juan to create individual IAM accounts for both her and Juan. They then locked down the root account using credentials that only Juan had. Juan enabled MFA in their environment with virtual MFA devices to increase the security of their environment. Following a suggestion from Marcia, Juan added both Marcia and his accounts into an admin group with a policy attached rather than attaching policies to individual users. They worked together to define several job functions in Juan's department and design policies using the least privilege principle, granting access to only what is needed to carry out those job functions. Marcia helped Juan set up billing alerts based on the budget that Juan defined. Once Marcia is finished with the initial environment setup, Juan will remove her from the admin group and disable her account. This includes disabling her AWS Management Console access and disabling any access key pairs associated with her account. So why does this matter? Why do we need to use IAM? Well, unauthorized access can cost your company through data breaches or service outages or unauthorized resource provisioning. Have you ever witnessed lax account security methods in the past? And how might those actions play out in an AWS environment versus a traditional on-prem environment? Great work in completing your first real content section. This completes the uses of IAM. Now let's move on to the IAM section quiz.